The learning outcome of this module is to understand ways to improve your team, your group, or your organization's morale. Let's get started.
We're going to talk about the action steps to improve team, group, or company morale. First, catalyze team accomplishment. Whether you're a team leader or a team member, you have the ability to influence the team cohesion and morale of the team that you're working on. Your goal should always be to turn the idea of me, I work on this team, to we. We accomplish this. We do this as a team. Some easy way to do this would be to create a team name or create a slogan, maybe create a mission, or even create a logo for your team. You can also specifically choose the language that the team uses and always make it a point to make sure you say we instead of I. Also, you can create a common goal and a plan to get there. You can ask team members, how can we work together on this? Another way to catalyze team accomplishment is to make it a point to celebrate accomplishments frequently. You collect and share success stories between each other. Be creative about this. You can have your team members brainstorm awards for the team members, such as maybe a traveling award or a traveling trophy, or a kudos board or something like that. You should remember that you can't really celebrate team accomplishments unless you have team goals, and those team goals should be really clear, simple, and motivating. An example of this would be, our team is going to secure 10 new clients in the next 90 days. And when that's done, celebrate it. Next, match the talents that you need to the needs of the team. Magic happens when the passions of team members intersect with the work that has to be done. So learn what talents on your team and where team members' passions are. You can do this by asking questions like, what unique skills do you as a team member bring to this team? Or if you could design your ideal role in this team, what would you be doing? You could ask, what are some tasks you dislike and what would you prefer to others to do? Or what do you like about, this specific task? You should ensure that you're always aligning these passions with the work being done and frequently check in with your team members to make sure that things remain aligned. Always make sure that they're sufficiently challenged, that they're learning, and that they feel like what they do matters. And make sure you thank them for their contribution. You should always make sure you try to show that you're interested in what they're doing by asking questions about their particular project on the team. And when they make mistakes, of course, don't show frustration. Instead, help them to view it as a learning experience. And you can say something like, hey, if you're not failing, you're not trying hard enough. You're not growing, you're not stretching yourself. Last, make sure you have fun. The success of a team is dependent upon how well its members get along. Having fun is something that's easy to forget to do in a business, but essential to keep team members motivated and productive. Some easy team building ideas and to have fun are, have each team member talk about their hobbies or travel. Go out and have a team lunch or a happy hour or a picnic or something like that. Go to a sports event or a game together. Bring in, bring in baby pictures of team members and try to guess who's who. You should really try to, set aside an hour or so for team building exercises every couple of months to make sure that you're always making sure the team is having fun together and feeling like they're having a collective experience.
We hope that you found this module on building team spirit useful. Remember, there's a complete transcript of this video below, and there are downloadable takeaways that you can use offline. Also, leave us a comment below about how you're better at building team spirit today, or leave us a comment about how we can make this section better. Thanks.